this is. Dear God.
It's like one giant solid mass.
It is. Do you have an extra trash bag? Oh, this is gonna be bad. I'm gonna put the trash bag on my hand.
Ew.
Well, it's either that or poke it with a stick, and our sticks are attached to tools, so there's no way I'm gonna. So, creating a glove apparatus. Going to. Oh man, this is gonna make me Ralph. Oh! Well, I had to break it in two. Oh! And now this bag is gone. Put this bag inside of this bag. Call it a day. Oh.